Hi guys, so today what I'm going to do is show you, let me move this over here, I'm going to show you how I make my coffee using a tea ball. I mean brewed coffee using a tea ball. So this is just regular ground coffee, okay, and this is a tea ball. The tea ball is what people use to brew tea. This is a small one, and I guess for 1 cup maybe. And this one has like a device where you can open and close it by squeezing it. It's kind of hard to squeeze. So that means it's real tight, okay? So all I'm going to do is dig some coffee here. It's not easy because I'm holding the camera, okay? So there's the coffee, and I snapped it shut. I didn't put a lot in, okay, but that's sufficient for a cup. If I could do it better without holding the camera, I could put more coffee. And then all you do is you come into your hot water here and you just swirl it around. You could leave it in there, and basically it's going to brew your coffee. So I just heated my coffee in the microwave. I didn't, boil it or use a coffee maker or anything like that. And that's it. That's all you do. And then you have a freshly brewed coffee for one person using a tea ball. And it just brews it just as exactly like using a coffee maker. Okay, and there it is. I hope you like this video, guys. You can buy tea balls anywhere, hardware stores, any kind of big box store. Tea balls come bigger than this, with like a little chain that you would hook to a teapot. This is the kind that is just for one person, I guess. So, I hope you like this video. I hope you found it informative. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.